In this video, you will learn how to remove pop-ups on Shopify. Pop-ups can lead your Shopify store and be useful for promotions or capturing leads. They can also be distracting for your customers and lead to them not buying. Here's how to remove or disable pop-ups all on Shopify. First, to disable pop-ups on Shopify admin, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, go to Online Store, then click Themes. Select Customize for the theme. Depending on the theme, you may find pop-up settings under the section like theme setting, pop-ups, or notifications. If there is a pop-up or promotional section, turn it off or disable it. To remove pop-up ads, if you have installed a third-party app to manage pop-ups, go to the app section in your Shopify admin, then find the pop-up app in the list and click on it. After that, most apps you will have an option to disable or remove the pop-up feature. You can also uninstall the app by clicking the delete button. Edit code to remove custom pop-ups. If your theme has custom pop-ups integrated into your code, go to the online store, then go to themes, then go to actions, then click edit code. Look for the JavaScript or HTML files related to pop-ups and remove or comment out the code that triggers the pop-up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.